Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do a quick video for how to get rid of condensation in your rooftop tent. Did a lot of research and I wound up with this product, Nexus carpet tiles. It's 12 by 12. It's easy installation, stain and fade resistance, mold and moisture resistant. The one thing I like about this is it's very thin, right? So for me, this should do the job because I really don't need bulky, heavy items over there or tiles, as some of them in the big lot stores, they have it. So this is actually pretty good. This should do the job to prevent condensation and also give me a barrier between the raw aluminum floor and the mattress. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through the installation. It's 12 by 12, but you can order 24 by 24 also. But let's go ahead and open the tent and install. In my case, I go a lot to the beach, so there's a lot of sand. You want to make sure it's properly cleaned so the adhesive can stick. So I removed all the sand, dirt and everything. It's clean. I just want to make sure I wipe it to make sure there's no dust or anything. Alright, so usually you would have to start your carpet tiles or carpet tiles or end tiles from the middle of the room. But given that I need cuts on each end, if I start from here, I'm actually going to start off from that corner. And I just made a notch here to kind of, so basically what I'm doing is following this line on both sides. And because it's round here, just made it a little round here. And like so. This is perfect. So yeah, let me go ahead and install it. Okay, so this is it. It's all done. Everything is complete pieces except for the end row over here and on the other side. I really like it. Like I said, it's not too heavy, sticks pretty good. Just make sure you have cleaned the surface pretty good. Also maybe like sprayed with Windex or something. But yeah, I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the carpet, the mattress, I mean. That's it. Thanks for watching.